Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. You know, these days there are so many ways for you to style your natural hair because it's a way for you to express your femininity. So today we have those beautiful short hairstyles like the tiny winnie afro, like the body, like the pixies, and these styles are something to go for if you really love your short natural hairstyle. And it's the smaller version of the typical afro, and the look is just for women who really don't want to desire those voluminous hair and really want something manageable. So these are really styles for all women of all ages, and it's a style that will suit all face shapes. So cutting your hair is just one of the biggest decisions in your life. So fortunately today, we have the numerous styles to count on that will always give you that gorgeous look you want. So if you really want that fresh start, maybe the fade, or you want the tapered, or you want the beautiful finger waves, those styles for naturally curled hair is just one for you. Take a good look on this hair. What can you say about the style? Isn't it lovely? Isn't it beautiful? Sometimes change is necessary, and this simple haircut on your screen is a great choice for women that are not really afraid to really cut their hair short. So once you trim your hair, utilize those beautiful products that will make your hair look beautiful and make the coils to fall in place. So the best ways for you to wear your hair is just please watch this beautiful styles to the end. Your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind about this haircut. I appreciate you watching, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys and still luck. See you guys in my next video.